Hey everybody, in today's video we're going to be looking at the body battery glance on the Garmin Instinct Crossover watch. I'm using the solar version of the watch. It shouldn't matter whether you've got solar or non-solar. The glance is available on all of the Garmin Instinct Crossovers. This is also a feature that's available on the Instinct 1, the Instinct 2, and most of the other Garmin watches that are on the market. The body battery, you have to go to the glance. It is not available as a data field on the watch face. So things like barometric pressure, the weather, those kinds of things you can add. Unfortunately, you cannot add your body battery. Now, to get the glance, it's already on your watch. Your watch comes with certain glances that are on the watch and you cannot delete them. Body battery is one of them, so you don't have to go to Garmin Connect IQ or anything like that. I've already added it to my glance list, so I'm going to go ahead and just press the up or down button. Now, if you don't know how to edit your glances, I've done a video in the past that shows you that. In my case, it's already there. I press the down button, it's at the top, and there's my body battery. When you go into the glance, you're going to see on the far left your current body battery score. So what exactly is body battery? I like to think of it as a gas tank on a car. 0 is empty, 100 is full. Anything in between just shows you your level of energy. It's basically how charged is your energy level. And it's using different things like your stress, your calories, your sleep, your active minutes, your heart rate, all of that to calculate your body battery. You can see for the given day, I've added 54 points to my body battery and I've lost 30 points with a current score of 40. I can go into the body battery by pressing the GPS button while I'm on that glance and I can see some additional information. You notice it says since midnight, and it's showing that since midnight for the current day, my high body battery has been 70, my low has been 16. The highest you can have is 100. 75 to 100 means you've got quite a bit of energy, and then 50 to 75 is 3/4 of a tank, so on and so forth. Different things like stress will bring down your body battery. Rest will raise your body battery. You can kind of see this in a graphical representation. You'll notice when I first went into the glance, it does a re-score of your body battery. I'm still sitting at 40. If I press the down button, you've got another view that's basically the last 3 hours, and it's showing my body battery level with stress in there as well. So I can see my stress level over the last 3 hours. Not really a whole lot else to see. A lot of people talk about how inaccurate this is. I actually find it pretty accurate. On days when I feel like I have a lot of energy, if I go look at my body battery, it's relatively high. On days when I'm having trouble getting up and going and doing anything, just want to sit down, I find it to be pretty low. So for me, it's pretty accurate. It's kind of a fun thing to look at on the watch. Once you're done looking at it, you simply press the back button a couple times, get back to your main watch face, and that's a quick look at using the body battery glance on the Garmin Instinct Crossover. I hope the video helps.